The key to a stunning smile is to stay relaxed and confident. To practice your winning smile, find a mirror and spend some time relaxing your face in front of it. If you notice any tension in your cheeks or forehead, gently massage those areas. You can also try clenching and unclenching your jaw a few times. Then think about something that makes you happy. This should help trigger a genuine smile, which always looks better than a forced or fake one. Pay attention to what your eyes are doing when you smile. With a genuine smile, the skin around your eyes will usually crinkle up. You can also make your smile look more upbeat or enthusiastic by widening your eyes or raising your eyebrows a little. If you're going for a more formal smile, like the kind you'd use in a professional photograph, keep your teeth together. You can either keep your lips closed or open them slightly to show off your teeth. For a more relaxed or upbeat smile, try smiling widely with your lips open and your teeth slightly apart. Your smile will look its best if you take good care of your mouth, so remember to brush and floss your teeth daily.